Good day, dear learners. Our topic for today is about fraction. What is a fraction? And what are the different parts of a fraction? A fraction is a number that describes a relationship between a part, which is represented by the numerator, and a whole, which is represented by the denominator. I have here an example. Okay, 3/5 or 3/5. So, what is the numerator? We have 3. And then, what is the denominator? 5. So, 3 is the part of a whole, which is 5. So, we have here the fraction bar between 3 and 5. Now, let us study on the different kinds of fractions. What are the different kinds of fractions? Okay, we have here number 1, simple or proper fraction. Okay, what is simple or proper fraction? It is a fraction which numerator is smaller than the denominator. Example, 1/2, 3/4, and 5/7. So, look at the numerators. 1 mas gamay sa 2, 3 mas gamay sa 4, and then 5 is smaller than 7. So, if the numerator is lesser than or smaller than the denominator, then that fraction is called simple or proper fraction. Another kind of fraction, improper fraction. Okay, what do you mean by improper fraction? It is a fraction which numerator is greater than the denominator. Example, 2/1, 4/3, and 7/5. So, improper fraction is the opposite or binali sa proper fraction. Kay, ang numerator is greater than the denominator. Mas dako na pod ang numerator kaysa denominator. So, 2 mas dako sa 1, 4 mas dako sa 3, and 7 is greater than 5. So, if the numerator is greater than the denominator, then that fraction is called improper fraction. We have another kind of fraction, mixed fraction. Okay, what is a mixed fraction? It is a fraction with a whole number. So we have an example, 5 1/4. What is the whole? 5. What is the fraction? 1/4. So, if it has a fraction and a whole number, that is called mixed fraction. Another example, 20, which is the whole, and 6/7 is the fraction. So, that is a mixed fraction. Another, 12 and 3/4. Okay, these are example of a mixed fraction. It has a whole number and a fraction. Okay, that is a mixed fraction. Now, let us also study the different sets of fractions. Okay, what are the different sets of fractions? We have here number 1, similar fractions. What do you mean by similar fractions? It is a set of fractions with similar denominators. Take note, similar or the same denominators. Okay, look at this example, 2/3, 4/3, and 1/3. Look at this set of fractions. Kani nga mga grupo sa fractions. What are their denominators? Okay, we have 3, for third 3, and then for 1/3 3. So they have the same denominators. They have similar denominators. So what do you call this set of fractions? Then that is called similar fractions. Okay, similar fraction having similar denominator. Parihas og denominator. So kung parihas og denominator ang set of fractions, gitawag siya og similar fractions. Okay? Another set of fraction called dissimilar fractions. Unsa pud ning dissimilar fractions? It is a set of fractions with different denominators. So, ang opposite na pud sa similar is dissimilar. So, unsa nga set of fractions? Adunay nagkalain-lain nga denominators. Look at this example. 4/5, 1/3, and 5/9. Look at their denominators. We have here for 4/5, the denominator is 5. 1/3, the denominator is 3. And 5/9, ang denominator is 9. So, kani nga set of fractions, nagkalahi-lahi ang ilang denominators. So, what do you call that set of fractions nga adunay nagkalahi-lahi nga denominators? It is called dissimilar fractions. Okay? Now, nakasabot na ba? Do you understand? Let us have test. Okay? Identify the kinds of fractions given below. We have our number 1. Be ready, mga bata? 5 and 1/2. What kind of fraction? Okay, it is a mixed fraction. Okay? Mixed fraction. Why? Because it has a whole number and a fraction. Very good. Next, 2/3. Okay, what kind of fraction? Okay, proper, simple fraction. Nga naman, it is because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Mas dako ang 2 kaysa 3. Then, that is called proper or simple fraction. Number 3, 6/13. What kind of fraction? Okay, 6 mas gamay sa 13. What do you call that fraction? Okay, it is proper or simple fraction. Next, number 4, 226/4. What is your answer? Okay, it is an improper fraction. Why? It is because the numerator is greater than the denominator. 226 mas dako kaysa 4. So, that is improper fraction. Next, number 5. Okay, what is your answer for that, mga bata? 205 and 1/5. Okay, it is a mixed fraction because it has a whole number and a fraction. Okay, nakasabot na mga bata. Next, identifying the sets of fractions. We have our number 1, 3/24, 6/24, 2, 10/24, and 9/24. Okay, write your answers on your paper. What set of fraction is that? The number 2, 5/7, 1/2, and 3/8. Okay, write your answer. Okay, next, what set of fraction? 2/3, 1/8, and 3/16. Okay, what set of fraction is that? Number 4, 2/4, 1/4, 3/4. Okay, what set of fraction? The number 5, 12/20, 6/12, 5/6, and 8/15. Okay, what set of fraction? Okay, let us try to correct your answer. Okay, check your papers. Here are the answers. Okay, the answers we have heard. Number 1, similar fraction. 2, dissimilar fractions. 3, dissimilar fractions. And number 4, similar fractions. 5, dissimilar fractions. Okay. Are all your answers correct? Okay, very good. Okay. Thank you for watching. Good day, everyone. Hope this video helped you understand better our lesson. Bye-bye, learners and learning facilitators.